Hello everyone, today we are going to work on algebraic expressions. We are going to solve some exam questions. Let's start with the first question. Find the exact solution to the equation 2 to the power of 2x plus 4 minus 9 times 2 to the power of x equal to 0. Let's rewrite it. 2 to the power of 2x plus 4. Let's move this part to the right hand side, which is equal to 9 times 2 to the power of x. Now let's take the logarithm of both sides with respect to log base 2. Log base 2 of 2 to the power of 2x plus 4, which is equal to log base 2 of 9 times 2 to the power of x. Let's continue here. It's equal to 2x plus 4 times log base 2 of 2, which is equal to log base 2 of 9 plus log base 2 of 2 to the power of x. We know that log base 2 of 2 is 1. This part is 1. Then 2x plus 4 is equal to log base 2 of 3 square plus x will come to the beginning, x times log base 2 of 2. We know that this is equal to 1. Then 2x plus 4 is equal to 2 times log base 2 of 3 plus x, which implies that if we move x to the left hand side here, then x plus 4 will be equal to 2 times log base 2 of 3, which implies that x is equal to 2 log base 2 of 3 minus 4. That's the answer. I hope it's clear. Now let's go to the next question. Okay, this is the next question. Find all real solutions to the equations. 16a squared is equal to 2 square root of a, and 2i b squared plus 7b squared minus 18 is equal to 0. Let's start with the I. 16a squared is equal to 2 square root of a. Let's divide both sides by 2. That means 16a squared divided by 2 is equal to 2 square root of a divided by 2. Then 8a squared is equal to square root of a. Squaring both sides means 64a to the power of 4 is equal to a. If we divide both sides by a, that means 64, a to the power of 3 is equal to 1, which implies that a cube is equal to 1 over 64. We know that 64 is equal to the cube of 4. Then a is equal to 1 over 4. And also a equal to 0 is a solution. This is for the first part, for I. A equal to 1 over 4 and a equal to 0. Now let's continue with double I. B to the power of 4 plus 7 b square minus 18 equal to 0. Now let b square be t. Then t square plus 7t minus 18 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We can factor it. T minus 2 is a factor of t square plus 70 minus 18 times t plus 9 equal to 0. It means t is equal to 2 or t is equal to negative 9. In this case, that means b square is equal to 2 and b is equal to plus minus square root of 2, or b is equal to square root of 2, or b is equal to negative square root of 2. And if we consider this case, b square cannot be equal to negative 9. Square of any real number cannot be a negative number. So we can cancel this case. This is the solution. Now let's go to the next question. Okay, this is the next question. Solve the equation x square root 2 minus root 18 equal to x. X square root 2 minus square root of 18 equal to x. Let's move x to the left hand side and root 18 to the right hand side. That means x square root of 2 minus x is equal to square root of 18. Then x times 2 minus 1 is equal to root 18. That means x is equal to root 18 divided by square root of 2 minus 1. Now let's multiply denominator and numerator by the conjugate of square root 2 minus 1 times square root of 2 plus 1 divided by square root of 2 plus 1. That means x is equal to square root of 18 times square root of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. And which implies that x is equal to square root of 18 times square root of 2 minus 1, which implies that x is equal to square root of 36 minus square root of 18. And x is equal to 6 minus square root of 18 is equal to square root of 9 times 2, which is equal to 3 square root of 2. Then 6 minus 3 square root of 2. That's the answer. Excuse me, this must be plus, also plus. I have made a mistake. I correct it. This must be plus. This is plus also. Then answer is 6 plus 3 square root of 2. That's the answer. Now let's go to the next question. This is the next question. Solve the equation 4 to the power of 3x minus 2 equal to 1 over 2 square root 2. Then 4 to the power of 3x minus 2 is equal to 1 over 2 square root of 2. First, let's get rid of the thirds. Then squaring both sides means 4 to the power of 6x minus 4 is equal to 1 over 2 square times 2. That means 4 to the power of 6x minus 4 is equal to 1 over 8. Let's continue here. Then 2 to the power of 12x minus 8 will be equal to 1 over 2 to the power of 3, which implies that 2 to the power of 12x minus 8 is equal to 2 to the power of negative 3. Then 12x minus 8 is equal to negative 3. That means 12x is equal to plus 5, which implies that x is equal to 5 over 12. That's the answer. Okay, let's go to the next one. It's given that 9 to the power of x minus 1 divided by 3 to the power of y plus 2 is equal to 81. Express y in terms of x. 9 to the power of x minus 1 divided by 3 to the power of y plus 2, which is equal to 81, which implies that it is 3 to the power of 9 is 3 square, so it's 2x minus 2 divided by 3 to the power of y plus 2, which is equal to 9 square, or it's equal to 3 to the power of 4. Let me raise it. 3 to the power of 4. Now we can use cross multiplication. That means 3 to the power of 2x minus 2 is equal to 3 to the power of y plus 2 times 3 to the power of 4. Then 3 to the power of 2x minus 2 is equal to 3 to the power of y plus 6, which implies that 2x minus 2 is equal to y plus 6. Then it implies that y is equal to, if you move 6 to the left hand side, y is equal to 2x minus 8. That's the answer. Now let's go to the next question. Find all solutions of the equation 3x cubed minus 17x squared minus 6x equal to 0. Now we can factor it by x times 3x squared minus 17x minus 6 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Then we can factor it as x times 3x plus 1 times x minus 6 equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0 or x is equal to negative 1 over 3 or x is equal to 6. That's the answer. The next question. Find all real solutions of 3 times y minus 2 to the power of 6 minus 17 times y minus 2 to the power of 4 minus 6 times y minus 2 to the power of 2 equal to 0. Now let y minus 2 be equal to y minus 2 square be equal to n. Then if we rewrite the equation, it will be 3n cubed minus 17n squared minus 6n equal to 0. We can factor it by n, and n times 3n squared minus 17n minus 6 equal to 0. As you can see, this is a quadratic equation. We can solve it as n is equal to, using the quadratic formula, minus b, it's 17, plus minus square root b squared, it's 17 squared, negative 17 squared, minus 4 times a, c. A is 3, c is negative 6. Divided by 2a. A is 3, so it's 6. Then, if we solve this equation, n will be equal to 17 plus minus 19 divided by 6. That means n is equal to 6 or n is equal to negative 1 over 3. Let me change the color. Let's remember this equation. That means also n is equal to 0. N equal to 0 or because there is an n coefficient. In this case, if n is equal to 0, y minus 2 square is equal to 0. That means y is equal to 2. And if n is equal to 6, y minus 2 square is equal to 6, which implies that y is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 6. So, we can say that y is equal to 2 or y is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 6. We cannot consider this case because y minus 2 square cannot be equal to negative 1 over 3. So we can neglect this part. That's the answer. Y equal to 2 or y is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 6. Now let's go to the next one. This is the next question. It's given that 2 raised to the power of x times 4 raised to the power of y is equal to 1 over 2 square root 2. Express y as a function of x. 2 to the power of x times 4 to the power of y is equal to 1 over 2 square root of 2. Let's first take the square of both sides in order to get rid of the thirds. Then 2 to the power of 2x times 4 to the power of 2y is equal to, it's 2 square 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 1 over 8. Then it is 2 to the power of 2x times 2 to the power of 4y, which is equal to 1 over 2 to the power of 3, which implies that 2 to the power of 2x times 2 to the power of 4y is equal to 2 to the power of negative 3. If we divide both sides by 2 to the power of 2x, then 2 to the power of 4y is equal to 2 to the power of negative 3 divided by 2 to the power of 2x, which implies that 2 to the power of 4y is equal to 2 to the power of negative 3 negative 2x. Since bases are the same, that means 4y is equal to negative 3 minus 2x, which implies that y is equal to negative 1 over 2x minus 3 over 4. That's the answer. I hope it's clear. Please subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you very much.